Hello, this video is for our students that sit at the heart table and the orange table in our kindergarten and first grade classes. Our students that sit at the heart table and the orange table are going to enter the cafeteria. So our heart students are going to come through here and they are going to sit, we're going to fill the rows in of the tables. So they'll sit there, we're going to fill in that row and that row as they come on in. Our students that sit at the orange table are going to enter at the middle door of the cafeteria and they are going to walk over to their table and have a seat at the table. And they're going to fill the tables in. At the end of lunch, we will have Red Cup, and for Red Cup, we are going to have our students throw away their garbage, and then they are going to return to their spots where they will receive hand sanitizer and will go through the process of returning their mask to them. To exit, we are going to go row by row, and students are going to exit for the orange table out this door, the middle door, the same door that they came. The red table is going to exit out the same door after they have their mask safely on. They're going to take if they have a cold lunch bag, and they're going to take their mask bag, and they're going to exit out the middle door where we will continue to the commons where we will meet our teachers. Thank you so much for watching.